Hey, what is going on? So, today we got another LG, another newer one. It's an LG ThinQ. I have no idea what the ThinQ refers to. No clue. It's definitely not a thin air conditioner. It's actually kind of big. This is an 8000. This one I actually went to the dentist, and right where I parked my car, this was sitting next to a trash can. So I snagged it. Let's take a look at the label. It's over here. Yeah, this is another one that takes R32. The last one took R32. So I don't know when they started using that R32. I think just a few years ago. Yeah, so it's 8000. Made in Thailand. Yeah, so this one I had to do a lot of work too. It had bad fan bearings. Yeah, I changed the fan bearings. Motor's kind of hard to get out of this one. It's a lot of disassembly. But anyway, I got it done. It wasn't too bad. I cleaned the whole thing out. Yeah, it's worth doing a little bit of work too. Yeah, I like the older air conditioners too, but these newer ones, if you're reselling them, these newer ones, you get a lot more money for them. And they'll sell faster. So anyway, this one has Wi-Fi. It's got smart diagnosis, whatever that is. Anyway, let's turn this on. That's cool. All right, compressor's on. And this one has an LG compressor in it. The last one did not. It had a GMCC. Oh, it's over here. Yeah, this has an LG compressor. Camera's not gonna focus in there. Anyway, you'll have to trust me. It's an LG compressor. This has a big pull-out filter like that. It's got that vent thingy. So yeah, this runs pretty nice. It's fairly quiet on low. There's medium. Pretty good difference in the speeds. There's high. Yeah, it's pretty strong on high. Low. Yeah, it's fairly quiet. It runs pretty nice. If anybody knows what this ThinQ means, let me know, because I don't know. Definitely not a thin air conditioner. So, yeah, I don't know how the water gets in the bearings. I assume that's what happened. It looks, I got the bearings right here. This one's got some rust around it, so I think water got into that one. The other one was still good. I changed both of them. Yeah, these motors are not sealed. You see a lot of people saying that they're sealed. They're not. At best, you're going to have like a thin rubber washer at each end. That's at best. Sometimes there's no washer there. And a little bit, I think the grease is in there to keep the water out. But this one really didn't have much grease in it. I added some more grease, more than what was in there. Yeah, water does get in these things. So these motors are not sealed. And these are not sealed bearings. Those are shielded bearings. And they all have shielded bearings in them. These are not sealed against water. So if water gets into the motor, it's going to get into the bearing. Alright. Enough of that. So, there you go. That's a fairly new LG ThinQ. I will see you next time.